y'all, so my parents are actually on their way right now from Bakersfield. They're gonna come visit because my dad has been out of the country for about 2 months. I haven't seen him and I didn't really want to drive up today, so they're coming down. I have the shower running to heat up really quickly, so I'm gonna hop in, wash this mess, this greasy mess, and get ready. Hey y'all, so like I mentioned, my parents are on their way. I'm sure you could hear all of the cars driving by. I'm by a main street and I opened up my window. There's also like a trash pickup truck that's going around, so you might hear that too. But yeah, my parents are gonna visit, and whenever they come, my dad has to have like little projects to do because he gets bored around the house. So I've already thought of a few that we're gonna do. I'm sure you guys have noticed like my drawer. This one on this side has no knobs. The other one has these like silver knobs, and I like the style and design, but I don't like the color, so I'm going to spray paint these gold and put them back on. My dad will probably help me to cut the screws. I don't have any screw cutters, and he'll probably help me with that. And we're gonna be doing some gardening in my patio. Oh, and I can't wait, my bud's gonna be here too. I've cleaned out these drawers here because I'm going to clean them out and then put the things that I actually need in here. Can I just get a receipt for this, please? Sure. Hey y'all, it's been a very good day today. I didn't really take a lot of videos throughout the day because I was spending a lot of time with my family, but we had a good time. We worked out in the patio to put up some vines. Dad helped me put knobs on my dresser drawers, and we ended up watching Bird Box. We finished it a couple of minutes ago. But yeah, now I'm gonna get ready for bed, which is my couch. And yeah, I'm gonna wash my face, get this makeup off, and go to bed. Good night. Hey y'all. So it is 6:04. Mom and Dad are already loading up the car. They're gonna be driving back to Bakersfield. They got up super duper early, and this guy is not having it. Look at him. He's still tired like me. Hey y'all, so after my parents left, I ended up getting into my bed instead of the couch, and I've been laying here for like, I don't know, 4 hours. So I have the shower going so I can warm up, and I'm gonna hop in there so I can actually get myself looking presentable because I'm still wearing yesterday's top. I didn't even bother changing into a proper pajama top last night. I just put some like yoga pants on and kept my crop top on. So yeah, I'm gonna hop in and get myself situated because I look a hot mess. I want to try out these curling, freaking, what are they? Mega Self Grip rollers. They're ginormous pink hair rollers, and got them at Ross for $3.99. So I want to see if these work on my hair. I feel like they're going to be a humongous fail, but at the same time, we love to be surprised, so hopefully these work out. But yeah, as you can see, I did not get to put my things away yesterday because my parents got here a little faster than I thought they would, so I still need to put this all away in my drawers. But to keep track of things, I'm gonna make a list of everything I want to do today. I'm gonna stick it right on my mirror. Hey y'all, so I just realized that yesterday I didn't show you guys what my dad and I worked on. So on my fence, we planted this honeysuckle plant, and we put some wiring across. Well, mainly he did. I kind of just watched and helped and assisted. But yeah, the plant has been kind of like tied up, and as it grows, it's gonna kind of wrap around the rest of the wiring, and it's gonna go all the way across to this edge of the fence, all the way to that corner right there. So yeah, I'm excited. So right now I have some curry cooking on the stove, but in the meantime, I'm going to eat this bowl of white rice with chili, and that's melted cheese on top. This is called morisqueta. This is a dish that is most common from where my mom is from, which is Michoacan, Mexico. While these babies dry, I'm gonna watch Netflix. Hey y'all, so as you can see, I have changed. I'm in a high school sweatshirt, some yoga pants, because I am on my way to yoga right now, and I didn't remove my makeup because it's not a strenuous class. I don't sweat or anything, so think it's fine. I almost didn't come because it's cloudy and looks like it might rain some more, but I made sure to just force myself to come anyway, even though I really just wanted to stay and watch another Netflix movie. Hey y'all, so I just got out of yoga. As you can see, the sky's clearing up a bit and there still are some clouds rolling in. There's some angry looking rain clouds over to the left. But overall it feels good right now. It's very fresh. I'm in the middle of cleaning out the refrigerator, so what better way to clean it out than to eat some stuff that's in it. So I'm just finishing up one last Etsy order. This is a custom order. The customer asked for it to be a shorter length than my normal chokers. But yeah, I'm just gonna put this all together in this envelope, and then I'm gonna wash my face and get ready for bed. Good night.